One of my passions is to make matcha tea. It is an exquisite, delicate taste. Most of the matchas on the market have bitter aftertaste. Ours is a clean, nice taste that you will enjoy if you know how to prepare it. So I will demonstrate how to prepare matcha. First, you have to use a wooden spoon not to oxidize the tea. And you just take a little bit like that and put in your deep wide cup. Then you'll pour some hot water, about that much water, in the powder like this, and use the whip to really get it to foam. You will do that for about 30 seconds. Nice foam. There we go. And then we pour it in the cup. And then fill the rest with water. The temperature of the water is set for 165 degrees, which is ideal for matcha. Bon appetit. Truly delicious.